Hey folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. So today spent the whole morning moving out our former maintenance guy who came with the building. He was right here. Already changed the doorknob. It's 1,000 degrees in here. So right off the rip I changed the doorknob and I started pulling carpet. And I gotta get this foam out of here too. Not really sure where I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna get it all rolled up and put into you know, like little rolls, carryable chunks. And we're gonna miss you, dude. Missed him. He's been here, I don't know, 6 years or something, 5 years. We've had the building, we've been through a lot together, good and bad. But for business reasons, he is not with us anymore, and we helped him move all of his stuff down the road. So I'm pretty much beat already. And try to get that thing cold. I'm fucking thirsty as fuck. At least he was relatively clean, and I'm not stuck in here with like bugs and shit. I mean, the dude was pretty clean considering. So let me get started with this, get all this carpet rolled up, the foam rolled up, and I don't know, I'll take it from there. Alright, so all the carpet is up, and now I'm going to get this padding up and rolled, and it's literally 104 in here. Alright, so I got all the foam up, I got the doorknobs off, except this one. I need to get a special tool to take the handle off. It takes like an Allen key, and there's guys outside. I don't feel like getting into conversation, so Took the shower doors down and all this crap. This is all coming out. The toilet and the vanity and the light. That has to come down. I gotta paint the ceiling, and these gotta come down. The ceiling's gotta get painted. So I'm gonna just continue taking all the hardware off, and I'll be back here in a bit. Alright folks, it's 5 o'clock and I'm whooped. Thank you for watching Old School Customs. Please hit like and subscribe. Good day.